Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to new video, freinds here. In today's video we got one funny item to scrap, to tear down. In this case we got one very old TV video game. This is a video game for a TV, and the manufacturing is Gorenje, Slovenia. So definitely first time for me to see some this type of item, because I never see something similar here, even here in Serbia. So I just saw it on the pile and take that, because I think that this will be just a funny video, scrap video. So okay, let's start. Just see, for the first, it's a metal box, some buttons, you see, and here is the list of the game. So here is a squash, pelota, tennis, hockey, electric gun 1, electric gun 2. So this is just a list of games. This is probably is a button to play with the hand, and this you got here some potentiometer, some kind of potentiometer here, you see. Nothing on the front. On the back side, just one antenna connector, couple of cables, nothing too much. Okay, so like I said, so this is a metal box. So right now I already unscrew all the screws from the bottom. So one of subscriber noticed item which I used to hold my camera. You see, this is from that Panasonic camera, and here I got one metal plate. On the top I got second metal plate, and in the middle I got two neodymium magnets. So when I just put my phone on it, and on the back of my phone I got some metal, so when I put my phone there, it just sit there very perfect. Okay, and this is mounted on my item unit. Okay, so I just put that like this, and everything is perfect. Okay, so let's put the gloves on. Like I said, I already opened screws on the bottom, on the 4 screws. So when I remove this should be some aluminum. Let's check that with the magnet. Yeah, it's aluminum, so go in the aluminum bucket. Okay, so yeah, nothing too much there, but definitely not that bad. So let's see, everything is aluminum metal, not bad at all. So first, what we have here, one transformer with a copper, some speaker there, some small amount of cable, one board, and 2 big aluminum capacitor, one antenna cable. These switches contain some silver plating inside. The switches too contain some silver plating inside. I already know that, because I already scrapped similar switches here too, and yeah, nothing more. One potentiometer here, silver, maybe palladium. This connector contains just silver plating, I know that, and yeah, nothing too much there. So just I will remove that to see the other side of the board. Okay, but I don't expect too much, definitely. Yeah, I just broke that screws because everything go in the scrap bucket. I don't know if you people love these videos. I saw a lot of comment when the people said that love this scrap videos, but on the view number I cannot see that actually a lot of people watch this, but I love to make scrap videos, not only gold, silver recovery. Right now I got in some batches, I got some palladium and the gold and some silver stuff in the process, but I just put that on the AP. So still I got that board from that modem and the hand PC in the AP. It's almost there, but yeah, not yet. Very chunky transformator. The best stuff, even if you are disappointed with the item inside some box, I always love to scrap that item because you never know what you can get inside, okay? So it's not worth for me to repair that game or sell that. Some lead here. Cable. Some small LED diode. And what we have here, scrap metal, okay, more aluminium for the scrap bucket. And let's see what we have here. First, just remove that cable to see what is inside of this little part. Well, okay, so not bad item. On this side you got this, some kind of potentiometer, and here is definitely silver plating. I can see that silver plated part of metal, and here we got some foil like tape, and we got some contact point, also silver plating, so just silver there. This is not a palladium, I can see that straight away. This one is the same. And let's see the other part of the board. So one free leg transistor, the big one like IC, couple of small 3-leg plastic transistor also, 1 IC, smaller IC, 2-side leg, so definitely 4 gold recovery, but not too much. 1 aluminum capacitor, 2 of that black one. Capacitor maybe contains some silver, small amount. Here's some gray capacitor with the silver also, and a couple of 1, 2, 3 orange tantalum. And we got 1, 2, 3 potentiometer with a small potentiometer with a silver plating and nothing else. So there's not too much there, definitely. This is just some copper there, nothing too much. Maybe not copper. I think that is a tantalum, but I will see. Nothing there, just copper inside. So like I said, nothing too much here. Small aluminum heatsink, nothing too much there. Very one small board, nothing too much. I don't know, it's definitely worth money, because this type of item I paid 50 cents per kilogram, and this stuff is aluminum, and the aluminum here is about $1, so it's not bad. It's already worth all that money with a couple of goodies. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. I will see you around very soon. We'll see you around very soon with some other item, or some scrap metal, or some precious metal recovery. Until that, save scrap, make gold, have fun. Friend Dusan out. See you around.